Good morning, children. We have already read this lesson, Where is the Pink Whale? And now it's time to do its exercises. Let's do. The first one is Fun with Words. You have seen crossword puzzle. This is the crossword puzzle. Look at its first line RWHEELW. In this line, you can find one word with WH sound, WHEEL, wheel. And in these three pictures which you are looking at the screen, one picture is wheel. Okay, children? Which picture is wheel? Of your left hand side picture is wheel. Brown color wheel. Write down wheel in that. Then look at the second line. There is no word. Then in third line there is no word. In fourth line there is no word. In fifth line there is a word. WHISTLE, whistle. Whistle, you can see here one man is blowing a whistle. Write WHISTLE, whistle, below it, below this picture. Then in the next line IIHPZEM, no word. Then in the next line again no word, and in the last line where, WHERE, where is a word. Find where you have to write this word. This question. When we ask question, where do you live? This is question mark. So we can write where below it, below the question mark. Now look at the first line vertically. RKT and WIHW. No word. Again in the second line, if you will see, you will find one word, WHIP, whip. And there is a picture of whip also. Here in these two pictures, you can see the picture of whip. Then in the third line there is no word. In the fourth line you can see that WHISPR, whisper. And you can see that one boy is whispering something. So write whisper here below this picture. These two boys' picture, write here whisper. Then in the next line there is no word, and in the second last line there is a word, WHALE, whale. And there is the picture of whale also, write whale here. And then WHIT, white, in the last line, and white is given here, just beside the picture of whale. White is given, write white here. Then the next exercise, match the following to make complete sentences. The king from B side is sitting in the court. The king is sitting in the court. No one has ever seen a pink whale. The minister makes a list of fools. The king becomes very angry. Now, who said the following lines in the story? You have already read the story. You all know it very well. Who said the following lines? Match with my answers. My lord, if you give me 10,000 rupees, I can get you a pink whale. Who said this line? The short man, or you can write the thief. Do you think he is ever going to come back with the pink whale? The minister. Remember, the minister has said this line. Why is my name on the list? The king. Now answer the following questions. Who comes into the court of the King Kuber? Can you answer this, children? Yes, tell me. Yes, very good. The short man with white beard comes into the court of the King Kuber. How much money does the man want? The man wants 10,000 rupees. What can the man get for the king? the man can get a pink veil for the king. What happens when the king reads the list of fools? When the king reads the list of fools, he becomes angry. Yes, very good. Now, children, you have to make some sentences from the words given here. Beard. The short man has white beard. King. The king is angry, or the king is fool. Thief. The thief takes 10,000 rupees from the king, or the thief is short. Pool. The pool is pink. Angry. The king becomes angry. He becomes angry. Anything you can write. Okay, children? Hope you all understood this lesson very well and its exercises also. Now you can write all the exercises in your copy with its question answers. Write in good handwriting. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe, like and comment on it. Thank you.